What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got Alif in the car, his E90, and then Alif's friend Bruno's here.
What's up?
We're doing a full maintenance overhaul. So we're gonna start with the ignition coils, spark plugs, and then we're also gonna do the valve cover and the valve cover gasket. We're gonna fix Alif's intake because that thing is completely toast. So yeah, we're just gonna run it down, and then I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse right now. Alright guys, so ignore the lifter tick, but we fixed the misfire, everything's running smooth. Now we're going to be working on his busted rear upper control arm bolt because the head snapped off. So
we got a new one.
And if you're looking, this is the part number, or it's over here. This is the part number. But yeah, we're gonna have fun with that. And after that, we're going to be doing the valve cover gasket and the valve cover replacement. So slowly but surely, this car is mechanically getting healthier.
Slowly but surely.
What's up guys, so we got the car back in the garage. We're going to be multitasking, divide and conquer. So I'm going to start with removing the valve cover, and Alif is going to start with trying to get the control arm bolt out, so that way we knock two birds with one stone. So without further ado, we're just going to get started. I'm going to put you guys back on time lapse, so yeah. What's up guys, so we finally got the old valve cover taken off. I never thought I'd say this, but I'd be rather working on an N54 right now because there were so many tedious things that we had to complete before removing the valve cover gasket, or the valve cover I mean. It's been like 3-4 hours now. For starters, the valve cover gasket has already been replaced previously, but not by an OE brand. I don't know what brand it is, but that's just the first part. The second part, he reused the old valve cover and lost one of the eTorx bolts, and he drilled into this because he reused the eTorx bits from the old valve cover because he only did the valve cover gasket and not the valve cover replacement. So he drilled this all the way to the other side and then used a nut to secure this part. Secondly, he stripped a bolt over here and he put part of the gasket in here, and he added an extra sealant so that it wouldn't have any leaks and whatnot. But now we have to deal with removing that stripped head if possible. And besides that, as you can see, we have the trashy valve cover over here, coils, spark plugs, Valvetronic motor, the whole shebang. This process has been tedious to say the least, but we got it off. We're gonna clean the mating surfaces and try to do our best to remove that stripped bolt, as well as just reinstall the valve cover as fast as possible because it's been a long day. So what do you have to say, Alif?
I hate my life.
Yeah, that's real. You happy about the BMW life?
Bro, I hate my life. I should have bought a Honda. Literally. That's where you add all the beeps. The ding, 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 ding.
Easy for you.
Yeah, I'm the gasket master, bro.
That's way too easy for you.
I'm the gasket master.
Alright guys, so we're gonna do the final steps of the maintenance overhaul. We are replacing the pulley and the serpentine valve because it's squeaking really bad, and we thought might as well replace the pulley. And then after that, we're installing a new intake, and then the car will be mechanically healthy now. How do you feel about that? You ready?
Yep, I'm ready to use this hammer.
Alright guys, we're gonna put you guys on time lapse and then we'll get to it.
I just woke up, so we replaced the intake off camera, and my car runs really good now, but my cat's kind of exploded, so I can't get emissions done, so we're gonna get the cats replaced next Sunday, as well as the water pump and thermostat, because that's also going kind of bad.
But we're not gonna do that on camera because Alif's gonna do it with his friend who has a lift in his garage. So
yeah, I'm taking it to my friend's house because his dad, like, they're the E90, E92 god. So yeah, we're just gonna get that fixed up, and then hopefully I can drive my car again.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, nothing is impossible.
Don't buy BMW.
Catch y'all in the next one.